Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Currently stripping down the paint from the valve covers. Gotta redo it, try and make it come out look nice. So we hit it with like 2 coats of paint remover, paint stripper. Actually works pretty good. Like, bruh, no joke, it's hot, really hot. Alright, so this is how it looks like after the paint stripper and then rinsing it with the water. So now we're about to hit it with these brushes, wire brushes, get all the edges out, try to get all the paint off completely. So yeah, we'll get started. That's the valve cover all stripped. About to clean it with some alcohol, try to make sure we get all the grease off, but yeah, definitely got most of the paint off and all that. Well, I'm probably just priming my valve cover today, but Chico will be painting his with this color. Primer, clear, basic stuff, advanced. But yeah, let's see how it turns out. Yeah, what?
I can't get like inside this.
That's what she said.
Alright. This is okay.
Yeah, I think straight. Next step, put some clear on it.
Right now we stripped the wire harness from the H series block.
My nigga Kanye came in clutch with the ice cream though. About to take a break.
Later.
So the H23 block from Chico is automatic, clear to say, because it has a flex plate on it. It doesn't have a flywheel because it was bolted onto an automatic transmission. So in order to convert it to manual, we got to put a flywheel and a clutch on it. And we need 12-point sockets, 17 millimeters. So we're gonna take this off right now.
Good least.
Don't be scared.
You think like that?
Yeah, like that. Take all the bolts off, and flex plate should come right off.
Basically taking out the clutch to get to the flywheel bolts, because we're gonna need it to put it on our H series. I don't know, you can see a transmission basically for that.
Yeah, the difference between the old bolts and the manual bolts is that the ones from the flex pit that is automatic right here to my right is shorter than the other one to the left. So we'll be using these to put on the manual flywheel. Before you put on the flywheel onto the motor, you got to put your pilot bearing. This thing right here. Chico's working on 2 projects at the same time currently. What are you doing? Fixing a bathroom and working on your car.
Life is hard.
Cry me a river.
It's gonna have to be a small river though.
Alright, so we got the clutch on with the flywheel. Unfortunately, the engine's not going in today, but at least that's some progress we got done today.
12 seconds later.
And we're gonna be working on the motor. The motor's in.
I got the spirit of a hurricane victim that's out of work. When that flood water up to your neck, it's knowledge first. We gon' see how your mind, your soul, your chakras work. When the whole world flooded, the fuck is $1 worth? Niggas talk all that hype, but I doubt it. Put life inside your body, get life out it. Put love inside your temple and find peace. Well, Los, where you find that knowledge? You found me.